Want to make sure your Galaxy Watch 6 microphone is working perfectly? Maybe your voice comments or calls are not clear? You can easily test the microphone using the device care menu on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to do it. Head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostics. Tap Watch Diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Now tap Mic to start checking. See on your watch. Tap Record to start recording. Hello, this is me. Can you hear me? Tap Play to play your recording. If you can hear the recording, tap the check button to confirm. As you can see, the result is normal, which means the microphone on your Watch 6 is working properly. Given to the function, this is a quick and easy way to troubleshoot audio issues on your watch. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.